This video documents unintended aggregate exposure while flattening a cold joint. The machine being used is a variable speed grinder turned to its medium to low settings. It's a 110 volt, 4.5 inch model that's shrouded for dust control. Removing the elevation inequality presents no chance of damage to finished hardware. Its speed is set at 4 on the dial. Against the finished entry frame, however, the speed is turned to its lowest setting. On the machine, the dial is set to 1. Removal of the interior slab's elevation inequality takes time. It's a well-placed slab, but it was left high enough above the building's footing that a 1/4 inch needs to be removed. Cutting into aggregate means slower work, but the grinder will eventually get it done. Once dampened, it becomes quickly obvious the edge won't match the rest of the floor. Not much can be done if the primary goal is safety, and there's no opaque coating to follow. If a customer doesn't want to see a different look where slabs meet, the best plan is to finish them at the same height. And that's about it. Unintended aggregate exposure while flattening a cold joint.